Beautiful morning here on Lembongan. Time to go for another hunt. We'll head to Banana Arch today, maybe down to Manta Bay. See how we go. All the locals are unpacking at the port. Pretty cool to see in the morning. Let's get fishing, baby!
Slow. Get. Yeah, you can get.
Yeah, baby.
Yes.
Woo!
We did it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Slow. Get it. Get it.
On the G-banger. On the popper.
Get good. That's slow. Give me.
Oh, yeah! Are you kidding me? Yeah! Oh, second pop!
Yeah.
First cast of this new spot too, man.
Good job!
Woo! Beautiful!
Get it!
It's beautiful GT, maybe 6 kilo, 5, 6.
Yep.
Happened on the maybe 7th or 8th cast. First cast back at this location. Beautiful little fight on him, but we got him in a lot quicker than the last time I fought a GT. But we're going to give this guy a nice little release. There's a little bit of blood, but we are happy. We're on the board, baby! Woo! A nice Indonesian GT. Hell yeah! If you're liking this action of me here, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. But let's see if we can get another one. So this one's going back in the drink. Got him good. Alright, thanks very much for playing, buddy. Faithful Halco Popper getting it done that time. She has seen better days, but it's just from rubbing. Just rubs all the time, hits 1 or 2 rocks and the paint just comes off. But it doesn't matter, because the GTs still love it. That is incredible. I still can't believe that I caught a nice little 5-6 kilo GT this morning. We left at 4:30. There was a big thunderstorm coming through, so we had to wait in a cove. I think Crystal Bay it's called, so we could get down here. And isn't this coastline just epic? So cool. We might have a few more tries popping. Then I think it's onto the jigging for the day, and then maybe some trawling on the way home. So successful mission so far. Stoked.
I feel a little bit
Smoke.
Maybe you can try that.
Hey, he's going for it. Oh. Go for a run.
Let's go! Hey, strong man! Let's go! Strong.
Yeah, boys.
Get one!
Hey. Well, we've managed to find a beautiful little tuna. Took the little yellow diver. Once again, the same as what we got the barracuda on the other day. So we've got a nice table fish after that beautiful GT. 2 fish on board for the morning. You think it's a manta ray?
England, sorry. What's this?
You can do it. I believe in you. He doesn't want to come up. Oh, see, no, it's a
Shark, maybe.
Maybe a shark? Gotta be a shark, surely.
Shark. I get shark!
Is it a shark? Oh, it is a shark, yeah.
Shark.
It's a shark.
No!
Oh dear.
I got shark!
It is a shark. Oh, look, I fell hooked too.
Hey, my jig, my
Yeah.
jig, no, hey, hey.
Oh dear.
No! Ah!
Hey!
I got the jig.
Very good. And you kept the jig. Good job. We found another one. We found an extra. We found an extra little blue lure, so I had some spare treble hooks. Throwing the hooks on, and of course he's hooked up.
I'm lucky!
Ooh, so lucky. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it's not happy. It is not happy at all. Yeah, buddy. You can see him down there.
Get it! Get it! Let's go! Let's go, boy! Let's go! Be careful!
Hey! Another one bites the dust.
Yeah.
Give him a kiss.
Yeah.
You've done well.
Get one.
Yeah.
Tuna.
This one was on the blue diver. Where is
Big
the
one.
blue? Yeah, on the blue diver. This one with the bigger trebles hooked underneath the gill.
Yeah.
Lucky boy.
Around 100.
150 kilos, yeah?
Yeah. How did you do that?
He's going pretty deep.
Good one?
About the same. Same.
Same? Oh, big one.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Now this one is a little bit bigger. He's very handsome and very sexy. Hey? Put up a little bit more of a fight. Once again, hitting the little blue diver. Nothing on my slammer yet though. I'm getting very frustrated. I think what I have to do is swap down to some lighter tackle, but 3 tuna on board, so we are having a very good day here off Nusa Penida. So after that last tuna, we decided to call it. I'm going to try one more spot for some popping, see if I can find one more GT, and if not, that is a wrap for today. But it has been a sensational morning, definitely worth the early start, so couldn't be happy with the results really. Fish everywhere below us. Fish. Oh! There's one on it. Missed it. It came out. Oh! Yeah, baby. There he is. Oh. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. He missed it the first time, but he came back for more.
Lucky man.
Oh man.
Every day lucky.
So lucky. Oh, he's bigger. Second GT for the day. It's going deep. He might get me. Can't get him up yet, but missed him on the first. It's alright. Got him on the second. Here he comes.
Come.
Got the leader.
Yes.
Wow.
Careful, be careful.
Oh, go to the tail.
Fucking shit.
Oh. Second GT of the day. Are you kidding me? Oh, I can't believe on the first, sorry, he just missed it, and then the second he was there ready to go straight up again and grab it. Second GT of the day. Missed him on the first, got him on the second. Better give him a bit of a swim because he's been out of the water for a little bit, but the old faithful Halco lure on the popper has done it again. Bigger than the first one this morning. Just gonna give him some water.
Ready, Dad?
I've hooked him pretty good under the chin, so we're gonna deal with that and then we'll release him. Well, I got the hooks out and the guys here were pretty adamant on me keeping him for them to eat because he's a nice size, but I was giving him a bit of a swim, ready for a nice release, and he took off. So we didn't get to film the release, but second GT. Whew, what a day! Are you kidding me? Stoked. That is a wrap for today. Had a fantastic day. 2 GTs, 3 tuna. Who could ask for more? That was epic. To my friends back at home, how do we find you if we want to do a charter? We can add you on Instagram.
Yes, we have.
Yeah.
The name is New Story Nusa Penida.
Perfect. If you guys are in Indonesia, Bali, Nusa Lembongan, Senegan, or Nusa Penida, don't forget to reach out to them and you can get nice and fishy, just like I have today. It's been an incredible day. Probably my last fishing trip here in Bali. If you've liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe because it's free, and follow me on socials as well to see what I get up to. Thanks so much for watching, Wallaby Dick. We'll see you next time.
See you later, Wallaby Dick.